Hello students, we are planning an orientation session for the newly joined residents of both MS Orthopedics and DNB Orthopedics. This session we have planned for 27th August. It's a Saturday evening, and we'll try and give you residents, the faculty of Conceptual Orthopedics will tell you how to utilize these upcoming 3 years the best way, how you should approach your residency period, and how best you can utilize the lectures, the content of conceptual orthopedics for becoming better orthopedic surgeons. So hope to see you on 27th of August and hope that we can help you become better orthopedic surgeons. Thank you.